I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by consolidating assets so linking is deterministic. Create a single parent folder and move each live set, sample folder, and presets folder inside. Use lives file right arrow collect all and save to copy samples into the sets project. This prevents missing file errors later. Once done, note plugin versions and the Ableton live version you're using, because mismatched plugins cause unresolved device racks. Do this first. It eliminates ambiguity for the automated linking steps that follow. Now you perform the actual link. Open the set that needs relinking and turn on automatic sample search in Preferences so Live will attempt to find missing audio files. Then open File, right arrow Manage Files, and run Manage Plugins to update VSD paths. Point Live to the parent folder where you consolidated instruments and samples. If Live still shows missing files, use the browser's search and remap function to manually assign an alternate sample. This is faster when many files share. Finish by saving a new master copy with Collect All and Save to lock in your resolved links. This ensures future opens reference the consolidated folder. If a plugin is unavailable, freeze and flatten tracks to render audio so the session remains portable. If problems persist, relink a single missing file manually, then use Locate All. Ableton often uses that mapping to find the rest automatically. If nothing works, confirm plugin folders and rescan. That typically clears stubborn missing device errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.